Okay, so I'm going to read you the story, A Letter from the Publisher. I want you to listen carefully to find out the name of the publisher and to learn what he does. A letter from the publisher. Kids, my name is Mark Deeds, and I have a fun job. I visit with kids who excel at what they do. When you excel at something, you are good at it. The kids I visit all excel at different things. Some of them excel at sports like running or jumping. Some of them excel at math. Some of them excel at skipping rocks or standing on their hands. All of them are good at something. I visit with the kids. I chat with them. I ask them how they got started doing what they do and how they got good at it. Sometimes I chat with their moms and dads, too. I jot down notes and take snapshots. Then I write up what they tell me so I can share it with you. In Kids Excel, you will meet a lot of kids who excel. I had fun meeting them. I think you will like meeting them, too. When I meet someone who excels at something, it inspires me to be as good as I can be. I hope the kids in Kids Excel have the same effect on you, too. Mark Deeds. So I want to show you something. This story is written as a letter. So when you have a letter, kids, right here is your salutation or your greeting. So it's the person or the people you're writing to. And then the rest of it is your body. It's your main points. It's the letter part of it, what you're telling that person or people. And then you have something called your signature, which is your written name. And then it says Publisher and Kids Excel. So, what is Kids Excel? What do you think it is? Kids Excel is a magazine about kids who are good at things. And remember, it's a magazine, even though it's published and it's in a book form. It was intended to be a magazine with all these different articles in there. Who is the publisher? Do you remember what his name was? Yep, the publisher is Mark Deeds. What does it mean to publish something? To publish something means to print a story. Mr. Deeds visits the kids who excel at things. What are some of the activities at which the kids excel? Remember, he said the kids excel at skipping rocks, math, and sports like swimming or jumping rope. All right, so in your skills workbook, you have a letter from the publisher. It's 1.2 or pages 3 and 4. So keep that in your skills workbook. And then I want you to complete pages, 5 and 6. So page 5 is 1.3. It says a letter from the publisher. So these are questions to go along with the story you just listened to. If you need to go back and listen to the story, then just rewind the video and do it. I will read you the questions, so if you want to go get your workbook and pause the video and then come back to it, and I'll read you the questions. Number 1 says, if you excel at something, you are A, good at it, B, bad at it, or C, sick of it. Number 2, Mark Deeds. A, hates his job, B, has the best job, or C, is sick of his job. Number 3, Mark Deeds is A, a teacher, B, an artist, or C, a publisher. And number 4, who writes the words that are printed in Kids Excel? A, kids write the words, B, Mark Deeds hires men to write the words, or C, Mark Deeds writes the words. And then on the back, if you flip the paper over, it says use the box to draw yourself excelling at something. So you have to draw a picture of yourself doing something really good, something that you are really good at, and then down here write a quick sentence about it. I excel at blank. And then keep it in your book, okay? And that's all you have to do for today. Have a great day. Bye.